Hi everybody, PJ here, and we're at a company called Really Useful Products. No idea what they do. With a bit of luck we'll get somebody to tell us. Anyway, we're on the Normanton industrial estate, and I'll leave the details of the company below. Right, let's go and have a look. I think we've just had end of shift time because they've all just come piling out. So yeah, possibly. That's an unusual coloured fork truck over there. I'll take a picture of it, or take a video of it and let you have a look. Hang on a minute, let me get my camera out. There you go, look at that. That is the right colour, isn't it? Right, let's have a look then. Electric scooter. It's a reasonable size yard. The old fork truck going there, I don't know what he's loading on. Shall we get the camera out again and have a look? And then the sacks of stuff at the back. Let's get the camera out and have a look. So there you go. I don't know what he's got in there. And then they've got all those sacks of stuff at the back. Loads of red pallets and loads of blue check pallets there. Oh, they're next door, they're about the next door. But yeah. Zoom out again. And as you can see, they've got 1, 2, 3 trailers in. Let's ask anyway, see if we can find out what they do. What do they do here, mate?
Sorry?
What do they do here?
Boxes.
Do what?
Boxes.
Storage boxes.
Boxes? Oh, storage boxes.
All different sizes from that to...
What are you waiting for?
Plastic or cardboard or both?
Plastic.
Plastic.
Plastic? Alright. What, like the storage bins kind of thing that you get B&Q and all that kind of stuff?
Put in little bits of shit in and up to bed in, all sorts.
So you get little shit in them and big shit in them then?
Basically.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So do they actually manufacture it here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Here and Whistler Drive up at KFC in Escape.
Alright.
We've got one there as well.
Alright. Okay, do. I take it we've just had shift change time with everybody.
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I've never seen anybody run so fast in all my life.
Yeah, so that's right.
What's it like working here? Any good?
Fine, mate. Steady
Don't
away.
lie, Simon.
Easy.
Yeah, no weekends.
I've been here 16 years. I won't be here, would I? If it was that bad.
No weekends?
No weekends at all.
Oh, you don't want that weekend shit, do you?
No.
Oh, that used to be 2 years ago. To be precise. 2 years ago, we used to work weekends here.
You used to work weekends here 2 years ago?
Yeah, then he stopped them.
Yeah?
Monday to Friday.
Since COVID, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I bet you don't get a lot of turnover of staff then, do you? You do?
Are you looking for a job?
Me? I'm retired, Dirt. You need people like me? What, good looking with dreadlocks?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know. They seem nice enough, didn't they? They make plastic boxes. Little boxes, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky. Oh, he's only just got that corner there. Bye, love. Nobody seems that bothered. Oh, staff seem alright, don't they? And they have definitely got the kinkiest looking fork truck I ever seen. Thought you were coming to nick me bike.
No, I don't think I've clocked you.
Oh no, don't clock off, go home and you'll get paid till tomorrow. You know when you go in, mate, just tell them there's a bloke outside gonna fly a drone over, will you?
Look outside, what?
I'm gonna fly a drone over at top. Alright, Dad, cheers. He's just closing his back doors, bit look of him. and then he'll be off. A Renault. Oh, we've got Maritime coming in with a container. Let's get out of the way. Don't want him to squish me. Wonder where he's come from. Where have you come from?
Yo, mate.
How far have you travelled?
Only from 39 M1.
How long do they have to tip you?
What, here?
Yeah, 3 hours?
Yeah, I've got to load me first.
Oh, you're getting loaded?
Yeah, I get loaded. Well, 3 hours. Then big money start.
3 hours to tip you?
Yeah.
And then it's what, big money?
Big money, yeah. Limits.
Is it big money for you though? Ah, I didn't think it would be. Volvo. Bit different to Volvos I started driving. Bit more power. Right, so he's empty. Right, let's get the old dread drone out, shall we? I think we better change the battery.
There's no bosses here, so I don't know. I told supervisor in there, but I don't think they're bothered.
Ah, probably like me, don't give a shit, mate. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right then, let's have a look. So these are the officers here. There are a couple of silos. I don't know what's in silos. What's in silos, mate?
What?
What's in silos?
What's this?
Granules. So there are plastic granules in there. Right, can we see any solar panels? No! Right, let's go and have a look down the yard. So I wonder if those sacks are full of plastic granules. They might be. And then there's loads of, are they? Yeah, some of them look like finished goods there. And the racking. But other than that, I'm afraid, we ain't got a lot to see. Which is a bit boring like, but never mind. At least we've had a look. Oh, we've got this truck backing in now, look. Let's watch him, see what kind of job he does. Just the man, I want to make sure he don't hit me or the bike. That made a bit of a bang, that, going up that curb. Now these are what they call extendable trailers. So as you can see, there's a big gap at the front and a big gap at the back. Now that is so that the weight is in the middle of the trailer. If you don't extend the trailer, it makes the back end heavy, which lifts the cab up in the air. You what, mate? Yeah, it made a bang when it hit that step. Just watching back in. Doing a good job, this lad, really. Now all he's got to do is gate on the bay. Whichever bay it is. If it's going on the bay, or we might be backing round corner. So he's got to bend it a bit first to get around that corner, I would think. Or is he just backing it straight down? Ah, he's just backing it straight down. Yeah, not done a bad job, that. Is he going for a bay? Oh, we'll soon find out, won't we? You know, you get people drive these great big things like this and back them on a bay round a blind corner and everything else. You go to the supermarket, you get people that can't even park between two lines painted on the fucking drive when it's straight in front of them. I don't know. Yeah, he's done a good job there, that lad. Is he going to shunt? He might need to. Yeah, just a bit of one. Ain't got a lot of room to shunt, to be honest. Do you know, his mum would be proud on him. And then what he's got to do is he's got to collapse the trailer so the back of the container goes right up to the loading bay, which is what he's going to do now. But we're not going to watch that because he could be doing it for a bit. So let's turn the drone around. Let's fetch him back and down. And down she comes. Landing. Right, so there you go, everybody. That's really useful products, or whatever it's called. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe, and guess what? I'll see you there in the next one. Bye everybody, see you soon.